YouTube, it is long overdue for me to make a long format video. And I've been on hiatus doing the long formats because I've been traveling around the country shooting for XFL, doing some videos for them. And now I'm back and trying to catch up on this YouTube thing. Now, prior to me doing my last videos, I was struggling. I was struggling to make content. I was struggling because subscriptions felt like it was just stagnant. And yeah, I would make videos, would get some views, and I didn't feel the motivation at all whatsoever. And so I kind of just left it alone on long formats, and I've just been dabbling with some shorts here and there until I actually took a trip. I took a trip down to Mexico, and I started posting more of my trip videos on shorts, and 5-10 second types of videos. And I was noticing there was some traction going on with YouTube Short. And so I kind of just kept on going and going. And in the last few days, numbers have spiked up. And then I was on TikTok, and Gary Vee is like, you know where you got to be in right now? YouTube Shorts. You got to work on that. So that kind of reinforced the idea of like, you know what? Might as well just post my daily activities since I'm going out. I'm just using my iPhone, and I'm doing a lot of time lapse, and I'm just documenting as I go. And sure enough, YouTube Shorts has been blowing up. And so on my trip to Mexico, I was shooting random things from the beach to food to time lapse, and boom, all right, let's just to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to show you the back end of my YouTube analytics. And so if you notice here, your channel has gained 92,400 views in the last 28 days. The reason why is because of shorts. And prior to that, look at this deadline right here. And then when I started going on vacation, I just started posting YouTube Shorts. And YouTube has been very generous in putting it out there, and I've been quite ecstatic about it. So I'm posting about 5, 6, 7 videos a day, YouTube Shorts. And here's some of the results. I mean, like 10,000 views, 9,000 views, 6,000 views. And these are all in the last 3 days, 4 days, I would say. So I've been really getting more numbers, and what I'm happy about is the subscription have finally gone up, and I'm quite excited about that. It's because that's the struggle I was having, is a subscription. So the subscription is going up, but the hours I need to monetize my channel has been going down because I haven't been paying attention to the long formats. My monetization hours, which I need to receive 4,000, has been decreasing. So now I'm jumping back on that so I can get these two back to a point where I can hopefully apply for the monetization. And having my own personal channel, it's quite tricky. I do work for other YouTube platforms. You'd figure like I would know the secret. In an essence, I do, but also in effect, I work for them a lot, so I put that emphasis on them. So if you guys want to see the other channels I work on, it's called Cinemas TV, and this channel has been going on for about a year and 3 months or so, and we've managed to grow that channel relatively well. So I'm one of the people that handles the video aspects, the photography, and the back end of the marketing for this one. So in between, I try to build up my own channel, just talking about tech and some of my travels, and also more of daily vlog. And I'm realizing this kind of works for me, so I think I'm gonna go towards that route because it's working. I'm gonna go with it. I don't really have a lot of time to do a lot of tech reviews these days because I am shooting constantly for clients. So I'm gonna work with this. I like the shorts, but at the same time, I also have to fulfill some long formats so that way I can increase my views and not just subscription. So I don't know, what have you guys been coming across? I just wanted to share with you guys what has been going on my channel. I've been seeing great success with YouTube Shorts, and I'm gonna try and keep going with it as long as YouTube's allowing me to upload and gain some traction. I'm gonna go with it. All right, that's it for now. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.